Our top story today, Nvidia's make or break earnings. Get that countdown clock fired up. We're just 7 hours away from the highly anticipated report. We've got the team coverage to kick us off. Our tech editor, Dan Howley, is standing by. We'll get there. But first, Maddie, of course, why do we care so much about this report? It's not just about this company. It could define the entire market as well.
That's exactly right, Brad. And remember that Nvidia makes up over 6% of the S&P 500. You can take a look here at the comparison level, right? This blue line is your S&P, and the purple is Nvidia here. So you can take a look at Nvidia's power over this market, as this chart shows how many times Nvidia has been responsible for a 1% rolling weekly gain in the broader market. And you can see here, since its October lows, this line has gotten bigger and bigger. That is showing us Nvidia's power over the broader market and how it's grown alongside Nvidia's market cap.
That's right, and that power makes sense when you look at Nvidia's year-over-year earnings growth, coming in at 461% in their last report in May. But you can see that that growth number could decelerate in the company's future estimates. That's what's anticipated. So is that going to present a problem for a market that's been so steadily relying on what this AI poster child and chip company has to say, which contributes to those broader gains that we've seen as well? So for more team coverage, let's bring in Dan Howley to break down the 3 key things that traders need to watch out for in this report. Hey, Dan.
Yeah, guys, today is the day. And let's just say there's plenty of hype for Nvidia's earnings this quarter. The first thing investors will be looking out for is the chipmaker's all-important data center business, which is critical to the company's AI development. Nvidia is expected to bring in $24 billion in revenue, a 142% increase from the $10.3 billion the segment saw in the same quarter last year. Wall Street is expecting Nvidia to not only beat its Q2 expectations, but to raise its guidance for the following quarter as well. Second, investors will need to look out for big updates on chip demand. Nvidia is the world leader in AI chip design and software, controlling between 80% and 95% of the market. That's according to Reuters. And it's expected to continue to hold that lead as it begins rolling out its next generation Blackwell line of chips. Wall Street will be looking for updates on any potential delays in Blackwell shipments, but analysts at firms like Goldman Sachs, KeyBank, and Loop Capital don't see that as much of a concern for Nvidia in the near term. And lastly, watch out for any signs of spending. Investors see the chipmaker as a key barometer for AI investment demand, so they'll want to hear from CEO Jensen Huang on the earnings call that the company is pouring more money into its AI chips.